आयच्या कामकाजाक सुरवात करूया. प्रश्नकाल.
Speaker sir, I may be permitted to carry out the following correction in reply to unstar question LAQ number 101. In annexure 3, the expression 31st March 2013 may be read as 31st August 2013. March nahi the, chukun March time.
August.
Speaker sir, I would like to make corrections to the replies to starred LAQ number 3C, unstarred LAQ number 59 and 149, and annexures A colli and B colli, and starred LAQ number 11A. Accordingly, the corrected revised replies and annexures have been circulated to the members today. Thank you.
फुडें धुकल्लेलो तारांकीत प्रश्न. श्री Alex Reginald.
Because I may be permitted to ask postpone star question 7B.
7?
B. Postpone 7B.
Postpone it.
Both, there are two questions which are postponed. I can take up both.
Yes, yes.
You can take both.
Speaker sir, उत्तर छापील प्रमाणे.
Speaker sir, the reply I have got that it doesn't come under the purview of this department. Speaker sir, I am just saying why go by technicalities, because the question is that in the CEG report the amount is quite a big amount. It's almost 200 crores. I have got the copy. I have got the relevant section also. Why we should say that it is not in the department when the previous government liabilities are there, so for other things are there, we are always speaking. So I want the Chief Minister to come clean. Who is stopping him? Why? Either the transport department or the mining department, because it is after all some money, and some money when at a time when we require revenue. Speaker sir.
Speaker sir, तो सांगता तें बरोबर आसा, पण प्रश्न मायन्स डिपार्टमेंट कंट्रोलूच करना जर तूं तो एक्ट जाल्यार मायन्स डिपार्टमेंट कशें कलेक्ट करतले. द क्वेश्चन शूड हॅव बीन थ्रू ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट. बरें, तो हांव ट्रान्सफरूय करतलो म्हणल्यार म्हाका करूंक येना, कारण फुडल्या सगळ्या मायनीचेर आहा. इफ इट वॉज ओनली ऑन दॅट इशू आय वूड हॅव ट्रान्सफर्ड इट टू ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट. इट्स ओनली ए पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. आय कांट रिप्लाय दॅट, बट ताजी सजेशन हांवें ऑलरेडी कन्सिडर केला आनी वी आर एक्टिंग ऑन इट. Just for information.
Sir, actually it was a postponed question. It could have been kept because as it is a long time has been taken.
No, I can't see, Speaker sir, एक गजाल म्हाका दिसता ऑनरेबल मेंबरांनी तकलेन घेवंक जाय की when we answer here, we don't answer for the full government. We answer for a particular department. Whatever is available with that department can be answered. Now this question pertains to transport department. The cess is under transport department, and what he says as a meaning, and I told him that much I can tell him as a chief minister and finance minister, that we are taking action on that to recover that money. We are not leaving that money. Though the matter is in the court, there is no stay on it. I have reviewed it already. We have issued notices also, and we will recover those amount. But I cannot give you more than that because it does not pertain to mines.
Speaker sir, one small thing. Give a small time limit. It should not be indefinite. That's my only request.
टाइम लिमिट म्हणजे एज पर लॉ जे कितें परमीट आहा ते आमी करता, पण परत सांगता तो डिपार्टमेंट ट्रान्सपोर्टाचो विशय आहा. सिन्स फायनान्स इज इश्यू इनवॉल्ड, I had a review with the transport minister and we saw to it that notices were issued. I will follow them up.
You can ask now next question. Vijay sir.
Speaker sir, हांगा answer दिल्ले आहा. The work of verification of illegalities identified by Justice Shah Commission is in progress. आता 1.5 वर्सां जाली. What is progress? आनी हाका कितलो वेळ लागतलो? काय 5 वर्सां सोंपोव म्हणसर आमकां इलिगॅलिटीज सोदतले काय म्हण आमी?
ना ना ना.
कॉन्क्रीट कांयच दिसना शाह कमिशनाचेर तुजें एक्शन.
स्पीकर सर, पहिली म्हणजे शाह कमिशन रिपोर्ट आहा पळय तो इंटरीम रिपोर्ट आहा, नंबर 1. Number 2, it has not been presented to the central cabinet, which is the requirement of any inquiry commission. कॅबिनेटान फॉर्म केल्लें आसता ते कॅबिनेटा फुडें दवरपाचें आसता. ते कॅबिनेटा फुडें न दवरता अत्यंत घाई गडबडीन कशेंय करून गोंय सरकाराचे मायनीचो रेवेन्यू बंद करूंक जाय ह्या एका टार्गेटाचेर ते हळूच पार्लमेंटान धुकल्ले. ताजे नंतर ते मायन सेक्रेटरीक सुद्दां ट्रान्सफर केलो प्रायम मिनिस्टरान बिकॉज वॉट वॉज डन इज नॉट एज पर द नॉर्मल नॉर्म्स. एनीवे शाह कमिशन केम इन टू एक्झिस्टन्स बिकॉज इट वेंट बिफोर द पार्लमेंट. सो वी स्टार्टेड एक्टींग ऑन इट. आतां एकूच सांगता तुजो तिसरो क्वेश्चन हा 35,000 कोटी ताजेर शाह कमिशनान कितें म्हणलां पान नंबर 10 आनी पान नंबर 11. From the survey of mining leases as per table number 2 annex, the total encroachment is estimated at 502.21 hectares. And ताणे मागीर कशें कोण जाणा पण quantity of illegality excavated 578.42 into 10 into 2.2 into 10,000 म्हणजे इतले मेट्रीक टन बी हिशोब काडला. ताजे हांव गणितान वचना, दॅट इज रॉंग, कारण यू डोंट कट a straight line for excavation. The excavation is always in benching. So this figure itself, calculation itself is wrong. But more than that, when we did, because Shah Commission did the encroachment concept based on handheld GPS instrument. Now handheld GPS instrument always has an error of for every kilometer or something 35 मीटराचो error येवंक शकता. So we have done DGPS survey because Shah himself says that the value of the total ore at $60 per metric ton between 2006 and 2011, I don't know from where he got all those figures, but anyway, even assuming that what he has calculated is right, he says it is 3,493 crores and ताजे वयल्यान 34,935 crores. ताजे वयल्यान सगळो बोवाळ चालू आहा. फुडें ताणें वाक्य म्हणलां तें अत्यंत म्हत्वाचें आहा. For the actual loss to the state from each mine and other illegal mining, it should be calculated based on ground realities by a team of experts in the field with latest 3D laser measurement equipment and other factors. ते आमी latest equipment लायले. एनक्रोचमेंट आमकां मेळटा ते फक्त 9.286 हेक्टर.
स्पीकर सर
ताजो value
आता स्पीकर सर एक इशू आहा की FIR रजिस्टर केल्या पॉलिटिशियनाचेर जे लोकांनी लुटले
पॉलिटिशियनाचेर करूं ना,
ना
सगळ्यांचेर केल्या.
सगळ्यांचे खंयचे मायन ओनराचे केल्या
खंयची एफआयआर
ना मायन ओनर
तामणकारा
फायनली लूट मारली कोणे लूट मारली तांचे कांय करिना.
राव मरे.
ग्राउंड रियालिटी भलतीची दिसता हांगा.
अरे ऐक मरे, तू एफआयआर कोणाची म्हणटा, तामणकाराची म्हणटा काय सरकाराची म्हणटा?
तामणकार तुझे बरोबर आसलो पयलो,
तामणकाराचे
आता तो
म्हजे
मायग्रेट
ना.
जाल्लो आहा.
तो काँग्रेसचो
मायग्रेट जालो ते
spokesman.
कोदा येना. फायनल इश्यू तांचेर कितें एक्शन जालें जे पयशे घेवन गेले ते. हॅव यू आयडेंटिफायड दीस पीपल?
परत तुका हांव विचारता,
ना आयडेंटिफाय केल्या काय म्हणटा
खंयची एफआयआर उलयता तूं?
ना इश्यू तुवें आतां एफआयआर घाल्यो तामणकाराचे
गव्हर्मेंटाची एफआयआर आसा
हय
एक महत्वाची मेन, विच इज द रियल एफआयआर फॉर investigation by SIT. We have formed a special investigative team which has started scrutinizing. There is another FIR which had been filed by one Mr. Tamankar, which has been referred to SIT again. SIT ची जी पळय हे आसा ओरिजिनल FIR ताका एनेक्शर लायल्या पळय, ती एनेक्शर पब्लीक अकाउंट्स कमिटी रिपोर्ट लायला, शाह कमिशन रिपोर्ट लायला आमी, आनी आनिकूय ताका काही डॉक्युमेंट लायल्या जातूंच्यान सगळ्या मायनीचे हे जे कोणे इरिगेलिटी केल्या पळय सगळे जाण इन्क्लूड जाता. फक्त नांवां आमी
मनशांक आयडेंटिफाय केल्या काय म्हणटा हांव ते पयशे घेवन गेले ते.
नाही दॅट इज द जॉब ऑफ द SIT एंड द मायन्स डिपार्टमेंट. म्हणून तुका हांवें सांगलें कितें, शाह कमिशनान 35,000 कोटी रुपयाचें नुकसान म्हणलें. आमी हिशोब काडलो आमच्या हाज्या प्रमाणे DGPSA प्रमाणे लेटेस्ट टॅक्नॉलॉजी वापरून एनक्रोचमेंट काडलें, म्हणजे लिजा भायर कितले गेले ते आमकां फक्त 9.286 हेक्टर मेळटा एनक्रोचमेंट. हे एक्सिडींग द लीज एरिया इज नॉट 578 एज
PAC रिपोर्टान कितली मेळटाली?
PAC रिपोर्ट हो विशय करूच ना.
ना पण PAC रिपोर्टाचे रेफरन्स
PAC रिपोर्टान हो विशय करूं ना. PAC रिपोर्ट हॅज गॉन ऑन द बेसीस ऑफ नॉन पेमेंट ऑफ रॉयल्टी.
फुडले सप्लिमेंट
अनेक एक्सपोर्ट जाल्या पळय ताका सप्लिमेंट हे रॉयल्टी पे जावंक ना. एक्सपोर्ट जाले ते ताजेर PAC गेला. दिस इज एनक्रोचमेंट 35,000.
Speaker, sir. Honorable Chief Minister, which report is correct? Is Shah Commission report correct? Is your PC report correct? Or the CEC report is correct? Because as per the news item which I read on newspaper, that Supreme Court is saying, okay, because I think our AG or our, from our side, we are debating the Shah Commission report. So I think Supreme Court has clearly said, forget the Shah Commission report, he says. Now let us talk about the PSC report. So the PSC report, what is the, say, loss, what you have the same? Because I clearly remember, Speaker
We will
sir.
not discuss PSC report here.
No, I'm not discussing the
Yeah.
PSC report. I'm just discussing what is the loss.
No, you asked the
No,
question.
what is the difference between the PSC report and your Shah Commission report? Because I clearly,
No PSC report on this.
no, because I clearly remember, Speaker sir, that Chief Minister had said that PSC, because basis on my PSC report, Shah Commission has made a report. It is ditto, that is the statement what the Chief Minister had said sometime back. So how much is it correct?
Speaker sir, PSC went on the basis of a report of controller auditor where they had mentioned that royalties have been not paid of certain period of year. We went into the total details of 2005 to 2010 and PSC came to conclusion that there are a variety of illegalities. If I start discussing everything now here, it will take at least 8 to 10 hours, which I don't mind if someone wants, but PSC is a basic crux santa. The most important component of PSC is two. One is illegal condonation of delay, by which without power, government condoned the delays and approved mining leases for certain people, total number of 40 or 41. 41 I think. Shah says 42, one number is wrong because the lease has been terminated earlier. So they did not take that into consideration. So 41 जे आसा पळय ताका आमी सगळ्यांक legal notice दिली. Out of that 41, about 8 or 9 leases are functional leases. The rest are condonation delay केला, extend केला, but there is no extraction. So they are secondary, they are only technical purpose. 8, 9 जे काढला पळय extraction, तातूंच्यान आमच्या हिशोबान अराउंड 500 to 1000 crores माल काढला. तातले एकाचे कॅन्सलूय केली लीज आमी आनी ताजे कडेन 180 कोटीचो आमी डिमांडूय केला. Others will be heard and appropriate decision will be taken by the competent authority, which is Director of Mines and Geology. That is one aspect. The second major aspect which PSC reported is regarding non-payment of royalty, because we realize that if Goa government has received royalty for say 35 million tons, export was 45 million tons. Therefore, 10 million tons extra material. We have asked from customs who have exported, because what record we have is only from export association. So, customer कडच्यान ते आमी मागल्या, customer कडच्यान तो data येतकच investigative team will identify who is the exact person who has not paid royalty.
आम्ही फुडल्या प्रश्नाकडे या. श्री अलेक्स लॉरेन्स.
Speaker sir, I may be permitted to ask postpone star question number 7C.
7C.
उत्तर छापील प्रमाणे.
Speaker sir, this matter pertains to renewal of leases also. Speaker sir, the first renewal was in 87. Subsequently, 20 years, 2007. Now, Section 8(2) of the MMDR Act clearly says that it has to be renewed for 20 years. I am making one averment. I say Article 14 of the Constitution, the MMDR Act cannot supersede the Constitution. Now, what has happened is there was a presidential reference, and president reference, the judgment was very clear that no part of natural resources can be dissipated on a matter of largesse or charity for exploitation by any private party. Therefore, in other words, we have to be clear, when anything is leased which pertains to natural resources or as matter of the state, we are very clear, the process has to be transparent.